Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Lamakan here once again. Welcome to another video. Today is another keycap reveal. Not only and it came into this nice particular box right here. Very nice. Shout out to the seller. Boom. What great packaging this is also particularly meant for this aesthetic. Hopefully. Honestly, I just brought it because it looks cool. But let's see how it looks. It's also magnetic, by the way. That's pretty nice. It's not a cheap box. Anyways, reveal. What is this? What is this? Oh, let's leave that aside for now. But what is this? It's wrapped up in tape. I don't know this writing. I believe it's Chinese. Well, let's put it aside for now and bring this up here. And this is what we came here for. This Chinese stamp. Oh, this is kind of hard to come out. Oh, there it is. Wow, it's actually designed to fit the bottom. Wow, that's perfectly nice. Wow. How about everything here? Look at that. Wow. Wow, let it focus. Wow. Golden keycap. Oh, that has fingerprints on it already. It feels like a stamp for sure. Feels nice and go right along the collection just very nicely. Has some weight to it, but not too heavy, which I like. And yeah, this is brilliant. I love it. Now let's get back to the ambiguous thing here. What is that? Now, after all getting all this tape here, the man them really did a wrapping with this one. It took a lot longer than I thought, but very right off the bat, it's giving off that dragon design here, and it's giving off that like Chinese decorated piece that you always see with jars and stuff. However, I'm not even sure what this is. So, oh my goodness, my goodness! It's literally a stamp. Wow. That's clever. I didn't even think about that. I thought it was just a recap. This is real ink, hence the wrapping. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even think about that. I thought it was like a keycap holder, but yeah, this is hefty. You know, there's no messing around with that. I should probably wrap it back up. I'm not gonna lie to you, but that's pretty nice. Which makes me wonder, why is this a keycap if red ink is gonna be all over it? I'm gonna be touching it. But anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this probably might add to my piece there. Who knows? Not sure where it's going to belong, but it's a nice piece. That's a nice piece. Oh gosh. Until next time. Peace.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?